Hello lovely viewers. Today I am appearing the heart shape hairstyle. You will see this hairstyle first of all on my channel Hair Empire. Please subscribe my channel if you like my effort but this video. So please click on like button and press bell button to get my latest video because these are unique and latest design that you can easily apply in your own hairstyle. Today I will show you different hairstyle and design of haircuts and hair ideas. These design will be very helpful displaying you so beautiful. You can use this style in different types of ceremony like as party, birthday and wedding ceremony. The heart-shaped hairstyle is a trendy and captivating hairdo that allows you express your love and personality in a unique and creative way. Inspired by the universal symbol of love, the heart, this hairstyle is a favorite choice of special occasion, romantic dates, or even just to add a touch of whimsy to your everyday look. In this article, we will explore what the heart shaped hairstyle is, how to create it, and the various ways you can customize it to suit your individual style. A heart shaped hairstyle is essential hairstyle that resembles the shadow of a heart. This style can be achieved in various ways, including throat braids, ponytail increase up to. The result is a striking, romantic, and attention-grabbing look that turns head and leaves a lasting impression. Thanks for watching my video and please subscribe my channel if you like my effort about this video. So please click on like button and press bell button to get my latest video because these are unique ideas.